Step 1. Unlock your ledger and go to My Ledger. Step 2. Download the apps you want to use. Step 3. Go to Add Accounts and press Add Account on your right. Pick the chain you want to make an account for. Step 4. Open your app on your ledger. Now press Add Account. Step 5. Press Receive and pick the chain you want to use. Press Continue. Now open the app on your ledger. Step 6. This is our deposit address. Copy this and send your crypto to this address. Step 7. Go to your exchange and press Withdraw on the coin you want to send to your ledger. Step 8. Pass the deposit address and pick the chain you want to use. Fill in the amount that you want to send and press Submit. Step 9. Fill in your 2FA, etc., and your coins will be on your ledger within a few minutes.